go from your telescope. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no.
Look how pretty. Hey guys, it's Briddy and I'm starting my vlog tonight or this morning at a very late time. It's like 5 AM roughly, and yep, I thought I should start now because I haven't slept yet. So, oh, I'm going to sign out and I will see you guys in the morning.
In the bed.
No filming.
No filming?
No filming.
No filming?
It's cold. I'm so cold.
This is behind the scenes footage of what you're actually like when there ain't no camera around. Why are you flipping the other way? To say hi. That's it?
I made some salami and cheese toasties. We're heading off now to pick up some stuff for tomorrow. So we're getting this guy's suit. This guy's suit from his cousins, and my dog's coming with us. I'm gonna show you guys.
My grandparents.
His grandparents, sorry. And Winnie's coming with us to meet Clint's doggo. Winnie, baby, come here. Come here. Oh my gosh. Why aren't you guys playing together? Play. So far, Winnie is not playing with Coco. Oh no! Can she swallow it?
Yeah, she can.
Okay. Look how mean Winnie is.
The red. Oh, don't worry, I'm working again.
I just did a face mask and my boyfriend has left now, so he has gone home. I don't get to see him like that often, so he's come over. My sister and I end up just taking photos outside. I have a call now and we're going out again to take more content. I've been using my film camera because I feel like it's a lot more efficient. I like how the photos turn out on this anyway, so I've been taking more film photos for my collaborations because I just think it like works out really nicely. So yeah, you guys always ask me like what I use, so I use this right here, which is called the Olympus Stylus 120, something like that. It's really old. I bought it off eBay from someone and they had like cute stickers on it, so I know, I just like left them on. We're at the dog park and this is bad lighting. It's like an amazing spot, guys. I never knew about it before, but look how pretty it is. And I never knew about this area. Like, this is the same park we've been going to apparently for like 5 years and I didn't know, so I'm kind of like,
yeah, you probably don't know about it.
But yeah, there's like a trail there as well.
And there's some sunset.
This is very pretty. Right.
Okay. I'm so not in the mood for it.
Bella and I just finished and the sun officially set, so now it's like really orange, but it's so pretty, right?
Look at it.
Let me show you guys. It looks insane. Bella and I came to this park just so we could like chill out for the rest of the day and just like kind of wind down, since it was like evening time, and also the sunset here is like insane, as you could see before. But yeah, so we just kind of sat there, even though it was really cold. Okay, it was really cold here, but it's still really relaxing. And yeah, that's kind of what we did. But I wish we brought our dog now that I look back, but yeah, this is what my sister and I like to do during our spare time.
Do I want to stand up or sit down?
No,
just
it's
continue
okay,
sitting.
you can go from that angle.
Yeah.
So we're trying to set up my vlog camera. We're trying to set up my projector right now. I bought this projector on Amazon or like eBay or something for like 60 bucks. But it's like not bad. Like the color's not amazing. But I think, let me test something out.
It's just that it's really blurry, that's the only thing. No, that's max focus though.
I don't think the white will... No, it's really white.
Your wall's already white, just saying. Damn, this looks way better on camera than it actually does in real life.
Oh my god, I love the actor. She's so funny.
Yeah. How
What's
do you
so
know her?
Because I watched the show.
You watched the show that telling me? Turn off the bedside table light and let's check it out.
Alright, wait. But like, you can hold the camera now.
It looks pretty good on camera.
Yeah, I know, the camera looks better than real life. Can
Yeah.
I adjust it a little bit?
Whoa, guys, this is... Okay, I've come downstairs to make a protein shake because I'm really hungry, and I'm going to make some food as well. So I'm going to make a chocolate vanilla protein shake. Protein. Guys, that the moment he is not...
Did you know that I literally go...
So I made a little cheese and salami toasty, regular cheese and salami, because I used to eat non-dairy free, but it just wasn't doing it for me. So I'm just getting some emails done now for like work. I'm about to leave and I haven't driven in my car for like, actually no, I drove like the other day, but just going to Camera House to pick up my camera photos, and then I'm gonna buy an album though for my photos, and then we'll come back home for my class, so I'll be back home just in time. Okay, I just got home and literally I left my camera at the store, which was so dumb of me. So I'm so lucky that they like picked it up, because I called them and I was like, do you have my camera by any chance? So that was so lucky.
6.5 is called achieving things through people is a key priority, because no.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they've been following me. Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay, I have my second class right now. This is for information systems. So yeah, this one's like really long and kind of boring, but the class is really big. And yeah, we're just going through like course content. So I'm gonna quickly make a protein shake. So I'm making like a choc banana smoothie. So it's gonna be chocolate banana and some protein powder. So we're gonna do like 2 scoops of Halo Top, a ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of protein. So I'm gonna have some tuna. This is the Wild Tide soy and ginger. I'm gonna have some of this because it's a bit flavorful, and I'm gonna have a tiny bit of rice.
Input the data in the right way, or you.
Okay, I'm gonna add more flavor, Tabasco. I'm just taking a quick break because we have a little break session right now. But yeah, so basically I'm just like going through my checklist of things to do, and I've realized that I have a lot happening in August, so I'm trying to like schedule my time right now. I'm about to get on call with my manager and see what that's all about.
During the implementation, you might realize policies. So like we mentioned last week,
I just finished class. I'm so happy. I'm about to write out the rest of my schedule for the week, and I didn't even finish writing my schedule for today, so this is what I have so far.
Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah.
First of all, uni has been a big problem for me because it's just like I have to keep up with those deadlines because it's like uni and like I have to like not fail my course, but at the same time I also have deadlines for my YouTube stuff and my collaborations and sponsorships. Been sending those through, getting them approved. I also have to do my uni assignment. Haven't started that yet. That's due in like a week and I have 3 assignments. One of these is a 6,000 word essay with everyone. Anyways, send help. Also, this is the first time I'm wearing makeup in a really long time, so I'm kind of feeling myself because I literally look so gross every time I go to film. Nowadays I don't really care anymore because I'm like, whatever. Like, I used to be scared about like judgment, but you know what, now that time's gone by, sometimes you just gotta get things done and it's whatever. So look more done up today, so yay for that. If you saw one of my last vlogs, you probably know that I rearranged my room like completely. So yeah, I like moved my bed all the way to the end of my room, and so I have this massive space now where I can move around and film in and do my outfit photos in, which sounds silly, but it's something that I realistically needed for my content creation. So very happy about that. Also, comment down below what you're studying at the moment. I got you guys to comment last time and it was so interesting like reading through them, even though I didn't get to reply to a lot of you guys just because like, sorry guys, I'm like studying and doing stuff as well. I really don't mean to not reply, but yeah, comment down below if you haven't already, like what you're studying or you know what you're doing at the moment. I'm like so curious if you're working, like let me know. I'm finding it really hard right now, like keeping up with everything because life is stressful. I am like so hungry. I realized that I didn't eat anything. I ate like half a protein bar and like some chocolate this morning, and it's like really late now, so I'm making some dumplings, pork and chive, because that's a classic Asian classic, and I'm gonna have it with some vinegar. Let me know what your combo is because I literally only use vinegar because I don't like the soy sauce. Like, not that I don't like it, but I think it tastes better with just vinegar. It's so cold, guys. Oh my god. The last of my vinegar is gone. I'm currently responding to an email, which I've been doing for like the past few hours. It's like almost 2 a.m. It's like 1:41 in the morning, so yeah, for me. I've been trying to fix my sleep schedule and like wake up like earlier, but it's like not early enough, like because I want to wake up early, eat breakfast, go to the gym, and then have like the rest of the day ready for me to just like do everything I need to do and then go to bed early. But seems like I always end up doing stuff super late. So anyways, I'm here like trying to figure out this email because I have a contract that I have to look through, and I'm just like looking at like some suggestions and like things I want to tweak slightly in terms of like the briefing, and it's like doing my head in because I just want to explain it really concisely but also get the point across. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this and go to bed because I'm so tired.